Making and receiving a call. Dialogue 1. Hello, can I speak to Mary, please?
Hold on, please.
Thank you. Hello, this is Mary. Who's that? Hi, Mary. This is Lily. I'm calling to ask you if you'd like to see the movie tonight. I'd be glad to. Well, I'm going to meet you outside the cinema at 8 p.m. It's a deal. Dialogue 2. Hello, good morning, John.
Hello. Who is that speaking?
It's Jane. I'm so sorry that I made such an early phone call.
It's nothing. What's wrong?
Did you get my note?
Yes, I just got it. I'll think it over and call you back.